fast. I need a DPS, guys. Someone decent. I think so, Jay. Relisted? I already did that a moment ago. Here, you do it. And now what? Hey, what's up, bed? Alright, yeah. How should we pick a winner? Okay. So, nice, guys. We've got 41 entries. Ren, will you be able to help me with this? I want to put people's names in the wheel. You don't got to do it right now, but I want to do it at the end of the dungeon. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, guys. I'm really picking a winner in like what? I don't know, when I end here in like an hour or two. It depends. Alrighty, we're doing it the same thing to now, tomorrow, and Friday. I'm picking a winner at the end of the stream. All right, good. For the mount. From the wheel? Wait, the website from the wheel could be cool? Yes, that's the one we're gonna use. It's good, bed. Yeah, I'm having fun. I'm gonna PvP a lot this time. Wait, why does it say 0 rating? Is it bugged? What happened to my rating? Oh, what? You can have different rating as different specs? That's so weird. I had no idea. Dude, what? I don't even know if I like that. Every spec is different rating? Huh. What do you think about that? Oh, okay. Well, I wanted to show you my rating, but I'm currently PvE spec. Listen, we need a DPS. Who can join? Hold on. Cash was on. It makes sense for other roles. Like I shouldn't be able to get 24 on a shadow on the swap disc. Yeah, true.